Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today is crazy. I'm literally about to go take a pregnancy test because my period is 3 days late. And I told myself that if my period didn't come by today that I was gonna go take a test and see. So I'm so nervous and so excited. I just like a quick backstory. Jeff, my husband, and I did get pregnant in September of 2019, but unfortunately I did lose that baby due to a miscarriage, and so it's taken me a few months to feel ready to try again, even though we really want a baby and we're definitely ready for that next step in our life. We're just ready to take on parenthood. So as much as we did want a baby, it took me a few months to be both physically and emotionally ready to try again. If you have ever had a miscarriage, you know that it does take a while for your cycle to get back, and just to get over the loss of your baby when you're so excited. So I don't want this video to be all about that, but I did want to give that backstory of why this pregnancy means so much to me, why I'm so nervous to see if it's positive. Jeff and I have been trying only for a month. We just started trying again, and he is about to leave for, well, actually he just left for a deployment. He's not here right now, but we did want to try to get pregnant before he left. That way by the time he did get home, I will be getting ready. It's just good timing for us and how we're planning it. So this was really the only chance that we have, unless, and if I'm not pregnant, then I'll have to wait until he gets back, which military confidentiality, I'm not allowed to say how long that is, but it's a while. So yeah, I really hope that this is a positive test. I'm stalling, that's why I'm talking to you guys, and I'm so nervous because I want it to be positive so bad, but I just have a feeling like that's crazy to get pregnant like on your first try after trying again. I don't feel like it is gonna be, but all right, I'm just gonna go. Oh my god, I'm like legit freaking out. I just want a baby so bad, and I just don't know. Like, I just don't know. My period is sometimes late, and it definitely hasn't been regular since my miscarriage in September. It's been all over the place. So I don't know if this is just like, I don't know, but okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go take a test, and I will update you guys in a minute. All right, so I just peed. I just peed on the stick, and it says to wait 2 minutes before you look. So I have it in my hand. I'm so nervous right now. Like, I'm gonna be so devastated if it's negative. But I also kind of feel like that's like it's literally, it would be crazy to get pregnant on your first try. Like, it's not crazy. Like, I was tracking everything, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm not going to be that lucky to get pregnant on my first try. So I don't know. I'm scared to look. Okay, no matter what, it's in God's hands. It's in God's timing. If it's meant to be, it'll be. If not, it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna look. I'm scared. I'm gonna look. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, no freaking way. Gosh. I literally am in shock right now. Dude. I was literally not expecting it to be positive. Oh, Winnie. Are you gonna be a brother? Oh my god. I literally cannot believe this right now. I did not think it was gonna be positive. Like, oh my god. Oh, Winnie, you're gonna be a big brother. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. I'm in shock right now. Oh my god. That's freaking nuts. Oh my god. Okay, well, I guess I'm pregnant. Holy crap, you guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to tell Jeff. He's gonna freak out. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. That's crazy. Prayers do come true. That is just, I can't even believe, like, I'm literally in shock right now. This is crazy. Are you excited? You're like, what's going on? Are you excited? Holy crap. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. This was literally, oh my god, I can't, like, I am so excited, you guys. I thought I was gonna like be more emotional and crying, but I'm just so excited. I can't like explain it. So, alright guys, be on the lookout for more pregnancy related videos, since I'm pregnant again. That's crazy. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Alright you guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!